Have you ever noticed when someone yawns, suddenly you want to yawn too? That's because yawning is actually contagious. Scientists believe it happens because of something called empathy. Your brain automatically copies other people's actions without you realizing it. It's kind of like your brain saying, "Oh, and we're yawning now? Okay, me too." And here's the weird part. Even reading or talking about yawning can trigger one. So if you just yawned while watching this video, your brain completely fell for it.